I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to talk about bananas. You know how when you sit those bananas in the fruit bowl thinking, oh, everybody's going to love those and they won't last a day, and then they sit there and are almost brown? Well, we're going to show you what to do with them. First thing, get you some bananas and we'll get this show on the road. Alright, we're going to get these bananas peeled and we're going to get them in a bowl. And we're not throwing the peels away because I'm going to show you what to do with those too. Right. Just make sure you take and leave all the little strings attached and take your labels off your bananas. Okay, and we're going to use, for this recipe, for my little mold, I'm just going to use 4 bananas at a time. And then every time I get them frozen, then I'll put them away and then I'll start again until I'm out of bananas. Make sure you take the strings off. There we are. Right, and we're just going to take a potato masher and start mashing. If they're soft, you know, like ready to do this, then you shouldn't have any problem. And it really only takes like 3 or 4 mashes. And you don't want to mash them to death because you don't know what you're going to do with them later. So, for me, that is the perfect consistency. These are just standard silicone molds. This one came with my air fryer, you know, but it holds 1/4 of a cup. Any mold, an ice cube tray, the silicone molds for muffins, anything can be used. And we're just going to start loading them. I have this little 1/4 cup scoop and we're just going to scoop them in. See how easy this is, folks? And you didn't have to throw rotten bananas in your trash. All you have to do is have a little forethought and drop them in a mold and get them in the freezer. Now I'm just going to set these in for like 3 hours. At the end of the 3 hours, you know, then I'll take them and just put them in little containers, just little airtight containers or Ziploc bags. It really doesn't matter. And then I have them whenever I need them, and I don't have to run to the store to get a banana. Even banana pudding. I could make banana pudding with them. Wouldn't be quite as pretty, but it would be banana pudding, and it would taste good. Because they come out of the freezer just as good as they do out of the skin. 4 bananas was almost perfect. Randy will have 2 or 3 little bites to eat. Okay, we're just going to pop these frozen bananas right out of the mold. You can tell they've been sitting here a minute. They're already starting to thaw. But that's okay. Now I have bananas in 1/4 cup measurements that are ready for anything I want to do with them. Banana peels. They are full of potassium, and all you need to do is dehydrate them, whir them around in your food processor, make them a powder, add them to water, and water your plants. Peppers and tomatoes absolutely love this little peel and some Epsom salt. And they will just produce and produce and produce. So let's get started. It's really, really easy. All you need is a food dehydrator and some bananas. Okay, what you want to do is just cut this banana peel into about 1/4 inch slices, just straight down. You don't have to that's it. And just kind of make sure they're all over the tray. so that they'll dry even. See, it's so easy. Anybody who can use a pair of scissors can do this. Alright. See how easy this is? Make your own fertilizer. Yeah, they want $20 for potassium in a bag. And they're probably doing this right here. It didn't cost you anything. You ate the bananas and found a use for the peel. You know, like I always say, you know, you bought it, you paid for it, find a way to use it. Yeah, I learned how to do this. I want to say it was in one of my permaculture books, but it really, truly worked, so I do it all the time now. Oh my goodness, I will be glad when I am done cutting banana peels. But I will be thankful when I have my own organic potassium fertilizer. All right, make sure that I got them all spread out now. Get my lid on. And I'm going to shoot for it being done in 24 hours. But there's no guarantee because this is Florida and it is humid. But I will let you know how long it took me when I get it done. Now I'm going to set it on the fruit and vegetable setting, which on this dehydrator, it tells me what degrees I need to have it at. Some do, some don't. It just depends. But I really, really like this one because it does. So for fruits and vegetables, it's 145. I don't have my glasses on, y'all. Okay, my banana peels have been in the dehydrator for about 14 hours. And so we're going to take them out. Yeah, they are nice, crispy, and black. But that's okay. They are perfect potassium that I have to put on my peppers and my tomatoes. All right, now we're just going to get them in my food processor. Try not to make too big a mess, but they are flaky and crispy. Okay, now we're just going to give this a good whir and turn it into powder. All right, there you have it. Perfectly good potassium fertilizer, free. Gonna get it in a jar. That jar's a little too big, but it'll do for now. And that's it. That's all you gotta do to make free fertilizer. Now, I know that doesn't seem like much, and it's not. I mean, that was 10 banana peels. But you do that every time you go buy bananas or have something that you need bananas for, then you just keep adding to the jar. By the time spring gets here, you'll have a whole jar. And then sum it all up, do not throw your bananas away. Tuck them away in the freezer for a rainy day. Make you some fertilizer. Simple, easy, didn't waste anything. That's the way to go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.